Good morning to all. Today I came with part 2 of our lesson building with bricks. Yesterday we have seen about brick measurement constraints, that is vertices, edges and faces, and also we saw about different brick patterns. Again I am recalling about the constraints which we had studied yesterday. What are vertices? Vertices is equal to corners of the shapes. What are edges? Edges are the lines that form a definite shapes. What are faces? Faces are the flat surface of the shapes. So today we are going to see how bricks are made, and also we are going to see about different arrangement of bricks in different buildings and in different areas. In this picture, what you are seeing, there is a two kind of wall with different arrangement, right? So, which wall will be stronger? Do you have any idea about this? Which wall will be stronger? இந்த ரெண்டு பேட்டர்ன்ல எந்த வால் ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க? Yes. In first picture there is a two bricks. First they have kept two bricks, and for balancing these two bricks they kept one brick in the middle of those two bricks. It will give some balance to the wall. So definitely the first pattern will be the strongest. Here there is different wall patterns. See the patterns and observe it. In the first pattern, in between two long bricks, one short bricks is there, right? In second pattern, between two bricks there is a square brick, right? But in third bricks they use longer bricks for the construction. So see the pattern and observe it. Here you can see different bricks in this picture. So I am going to ask three questions to you. Which of these bricks have curved edges? எந்த brickல வந்து curved edges இருக்கு, sharp edges இல்லாம எந்த brickல வந்து curve இருக்கு edges அப்படினு ஒரு question கேட்டிருக்கேன் மேம். செகண்ட் வந்து how many faces do you see in longest brick? இந்த longest brickல எவ்வளோ faces உங்களுக்கு தெரியுது? Third question, is there any brick which has more than? See how the stones are arranged around this tree. Where இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க எங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க? In our school there is some brick arrangement around our flag post, right? ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? So same. எப்படி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்க. To make the stone strong, ரெண்டு ஸ்டோனுக்கு நடுவுல ஒரு ஸ்டோன் வச்சிருக்காங்க பாத்தீங்களா? Yes. See the arch in this photo. எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க, எப்படி ஆர்ச் வந்து அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்க. So how the construction looks like? Really it is beautiful, right? இந்த மாதிரி archesல நீங்க எங்கங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க? So make a note of it in your rough note, children. Have you seen arches in a bridge? Bridgeல நம்ம arch பார்த்திருப்போம்ல. So நிறைய மூவிஸ்ல கூட வரும். டைட்டானிக் மூவி, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய மூவிஸ்ல bridge கீழ arch இருக்கும் இல்லையா? எஸ், பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? எங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்கன்னு உங்க ரஃப் நோட்ல நோட் பண்ணி வைங்க. மேம் क्वेश्चन கேக்குறப்ப நீங்க சொல்லணும். So for making this arch masons use the very thin bricks. இந்த மாதிரி arch construct பண்றதுக்கு masons will use the thinnest bricks. Next we are going to see how bricks are made. எப்படி bricks எல்லாம் manufacture பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Video we are going to see about how bricks are made. First you have to collect the clay. First மண்ணை நமக்கு தேவையான மண்ணை நம்ம collect பண்ணிக்கணும். Then you need to choose the molds. எந்த ஷேப்ல இருக்கணும்னு choose பண்ணிட்டு then you have to decide about the quality of the brick, color of the brick. Then you have to think about the wastage. Then finally you have to mix the water with sand. And by using some machines, you need to mix the sand and water thoroughly. Then molding process. Keep the sand into the molding stable. Then draw shapes which you want to be. Then keep it aside for some hours. After some time, took the bricks from the molds. Then again at certain temperature dry it thoroughly. Make a bundle of bricks for the next process. In this process we are going to heat the bricks at certain temperature to make it more stronger. It will take some time to heat the bricks. After that keep it aside for some time. Then it will be more stronger. Now your brick is ready with 100% quality. So now we saw about how bricks are made. What are the process we have to follow for the formation of bricks. Now here I had given 4 pictures. You have to arrange in a correct order. Okay? What do you mean by brick kilns? செங்கச்சூளை கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அப்பா சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க, ரைட்? தெரியலனா அப்பா கிட்ட கேளுங்க. செங்கச்சூளைனா என்னப்பா அப்படின்னு கேளுங்க. ஸோ பிரிக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம செய்கிற இடத்துக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது? brick kilns. ஓகேவா? Now today's activity, draw a different pattern of bricks by your own. Take one brick from your home and measure it. How long is it? How wide is it? And how height is it? And we have to recall this for our next class. So recall this, children. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, and 1 kilograms equal to 1000 grams. Finally 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. And try to do this homework, children. Thank you. If you have any doubts in this concept, feel free to call me or message me through WhatsApp. Thank you, children. Have a pleasant day.